Follow these steps to fix Control Center not working on iPhone. Let's get in. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Once you're on this page, scroll down. Here, you're going to find this section of Allow Access when logged. Make sure you have enabled for the option Control Center. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is hit back, navigate to the option Control Center. Toggle on for this option Access within apps. Likewise, next thing you want to do is check for software updates. For that, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your device to its latest version. Likewise, what you want to do is scroll down, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is first restart your device. Quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. By following all these solutions, your Control Center should work. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.